All right, let's go to some quick hits. We want to go to Yahoo. First up, okay, do you like Yahoo? Carol Bartz is out. Is it better with her? Is the stock better without her?
It's a mess. It's been a mess. The company's a mess. The stock, the chart's a mess.
So if you see the stock up today, it was up 6% after hours trading, would you want to short it then? Or just not even bother?
Probably would just stay away from it altogether.
All right, let's go to Bank of America. I know you hate them, but does this management shakeup do anything to instill some kind of confidence? The market obviously liked it.
Well, I don't hate anything. I don't hate anything. I just, you know, to me, it's always about risk and reward. As a trader, as an investor, this stock does not pose a good risk-reward ratio. Yes, you could say, well, it's $6 or it's $7. It's cheap here. I get it, but the reality of it is it could be $2. It could be $3. That's just the kind of unknown that this stock presents, and I think it's better to just avoid until it sets up for a better trade.
I think that at some point long-term investors are going to say, well, all these changes could really strengthen the company and this would be a bargain price.
If so, at some point this chart will tell us.
All right, fair enough. Let's go to Mastercard, the non-bank bank. Is that a better trade?
Mastercard, very, very good relative strength to the market, sitting right at close to 52-week highs. I would have liked to have seen it break out last week with the strength that we saw in the market over the last basically week and a half. Didn't do that. Still in this high level base. Could be worth a small position. If it makes new 52-week highs, I'd consider adding.
How about Green Mountain Coffee up almost 3%? Coffee stock's just doing really well right now.
It's a monster. Green Mountain is a monster. Strongest stock probably on the tape right now. Looks like it wants to make new highs.
So you want to get in? You can still get in. All right. Let's go to Las Vegas Sands. Closed up about 1.6% Tuesday. Is this the start of a higher trend?
I'm not quite there with casinos yet. They've been in a base. Las Vegas Sands has been basically range bound since October of last year. So we've had a year of basically just ebbs and flows. We're approaching the higher end of the range again. Every time we've seen this trade, it's turned back down. So I think we can probably be on the sidelines with LVS until we clearly get a big volume breakout.
All right, let's go to Caterpillar here. Has been hit but not changed its guidance for the year. Has noted no demand changes in the industry conference in August. Has it been unfairly beaten up at this point? And would you be buying it?
For a trade, Caterpillar overall has been relatively weak to the market. We haven't really seen any buyers step in for more than just 2 or 3 days at a time. And every time it goes back up, they sell it back down. We're sitting at the lower end of the range. You could be a small buyer against the $80 level, which is prior lows for a trade. But right now, not really seeing that relative strength, not really seeing Caterpillar as a go-to and inflow for money.
All right, let's round it out with Newmont Mining. Hit a 52-week high yesterday, but then couldn't hold it. What does that tell you? Would you be shorting it?
No, I wouldn't be shorting it. You could see a 2 or 3 day pullback. If that's really your forte, you're looking for that short-term pullback, then you could potentially step in for a short below yesterday's low. But that's a very calculated tactical trade. If you're looking at this longer term, bigger picture, I'd probably look to buy a pullback if we can see low 60s.